Look at here, look at here, look at here. Let's talk about triangles. Yes! I heard that, Carson. Yes! You do your own notes. That's right. Yes! Okay, here we go. Draw this for me. Less than a month. Santa Claus will be here. Whoop, whoop.
My sister just found out the other day that
Shut up! What are you talking about? Shy! Yes, he is. Shh. Yes, he is. What are you talking about? Of course he is. I saw him. Yeah. Gotta believe in the magic. Okay? Just saying. Nah, I don't know that song. Sing it. All right. Here we go. If you had a triangle, and the triangle was such that it looked like this, and angle A was 47 degrees, and angle B was 54 degrees. Find the measure of C, please. Got to have calculators, and if you don't have a calculator, it's kind of crappy. How do most of you guys do this? How do you solve to find this missing angle? What do? You add what you're given, which is 101, and you take that sum away from what number? Our triangle number is 180. Oh, that works out all right. How many of you guys got 79 degrees? All right, now I approach this in a different way. I do it this way. I start with my triangle number. What's my triangle number? 180. I start with 180, and then I back myself out of there. What do? I go 180 minus the two angles that I'm given, minus 47, minus 54, because calculator-wise, let's face it, how many of us are going to blow his calculator up? Me too. I'm going to blow my calculator up and figure out that that missing angle is 79 degrees. Okay? You guys remember this, right? What happens when we have this right here? Again with triangle ABC. Ooh, let's do this one. Don't say anything out loud. I want you to find the missing angles, and this would be example 2. That's example 1. This is example 2. Well, A and B are congruent. How do you know? Because they've got the little arcs, right? So what's that mean? What's equal to 180? The whole thing. So that's, you're saying if I take the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C, Maddie, that it ought to be equal to 180. Yeah? So we're approaching this algebraically. Do we have to? No. But since she went there, we're going there. Okay? Atta girl. What am I going to do? Well, hold on there, Hoss. What are we going to do?
180 minus 64.
Shouldn't know. You told me, what do you know from that picture? That A and B are congruent. So, Lauren, what do you want to call angle A? But give me a variable.
C.
L for Lauren. So if angle A is called L, with 14 syllables, L, then what do we call B?
L. J.
L. Why can it not be J? Because they're congruent. So they have to be the same. So L plus 64 is equal to 180. You guys agree with that? L plus L. What's L plus L? Shut your face. What's L plus L? 2L. And then what do? Subtract 64. Because now it's just an algebraic equation, isn't it? 180 minus 64, 116? 126. 116. And then we're going to divide by. So we get AL is equal to AL. That would be fun if I did that the whole class. AL. That's going to be a fun recording to watch there, Beat. What's AL going to be equal to? 58. What's that mean? What's 58? Both of those angles. Now, that's algebraically. There's a way easier way to do this problem.
L equals 58.
AL is 58. Somebody said it. 180 minus 64, which is 116. And what do you do with 116? Why are we dividing by 2? Because there are two congruent angles which are 58 degrees each. Right on? Right on. Yep. I'm listening. No, you got to go the other way. We have to take away what we are given, take 64 away first, and then divide that number by 2. If we were to go 180 divided by 2, which is 90, 90 take away 64 is not 58, right? So you got to go the other way. And why do we have to do it that way? Because algebraically, what do? We had to subtract 64 before we divided by 2. Okay? Does that make sense? What's going to happen if we do this? We got old triangle ABC again. And we've got A is 2x plus 10. Angle B is 3x. And angle C is angle C is 5x minus 25. Totally making this up. Don't know what we're going to get. But I want you to do a couple of things. I want you to find x. Then find each angle. See what you can do with that. Go. Hold up. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is equal to who? 180. All right, one more time, Colleen, go.
Oh, 2x plus 10 plus 3x plus 5x minus 2, 5.
Plus minus 2, 5. Minus 2, 5. That's right. What do I do now, Cody? Which are? All right, which gives me what? And 10 minus 25 is? That's right. And then what? 10x, oh man, 195 divided by 10, snot balls. How many of y'all got 19.5? All right. Now, Don't panic. Psst, turn around. Here we go. Don't panic. Why am I saying don't panic?
Because we're about to do something.
Nobody likes decimals. Nobody likes fractions either. So what do you like? Okay? Whole numbers. No negatives. No nope. No. What? How? We found x, right? We got x. Now we have to go back and we have to find each angle, right? All right. So this is just a matter of plug and chug. Okay, here we go. Measure of angle A, all it is substitution. Now it's just a matter of substitution. 38, 39 plus 10. You better have this on your paper. Do you have 49 for angle A? Okay. And how about angle B? Angle B ought to be easy. 3x, which is 3 times 19.5. How much? 58.5 gross. Use some manners. Now what? Nothing. Now what? I can substitute again. Do I have to? I can take 180 minus 49 minus 58.5, and if I have figured these first two correctly, then my third angle will be correct as well. Yes or no? But what if I've calculated something wrong? Then will my third angle be correct or incorrect? It'll be incorrect. Okay, so you got to be careful. Be really, really careful. And the last angle, which is 5x minus 25. What is 5 times 19.5? Something big. 97.5? 97.5 minus 25, which is, how many of you got all of those correct? Hands up. Oh, y'all got it going on. Good, 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 good. Okay. Oh, this will be a piece of cake then. Questions? Changing gears. It is supposed to be there. Yes, it really is. It's not a joke. No sarcasm, no joke. That's supposed to be there. Let me tell you why it's supposed to be there. Yes, we have. We've already learned this. If I wanted to find x, which is that, first of all, is x an interior or an exterior angle?
Outside.
It's an exterior angle. If I wanted you to find x by being given this angle that's 45 degrees and this angle that's 21 degrees, how are you going to do that?
Isn't x what those two angles are added together?
Do you remember what they're called? If you were in your recliner, remote what? Remote interior angles. All right, here we go. Write this down. Shut your face. Exterior angles are equal to remote interior 1 plus remote interior 2. Please write that down. Yeah, you did. Oh, no, this is all I'm going over it. So you can watch the video that I posted just a little bit ago. Maybe.
No.
Remote, what is the first remote interior angle? What do you want to choose? 45 is fine, and that means the other one has to be 21. So the exterior angle X is what, folks? 66 degrees. All right. Think of whose picture this is. This is my picture. So my pictures, you know, are not going to be right. Okay? You're right. It does not look like it's correct. But mathematically, we have figured it correctly. Okay? How about this? Let's work the other way. If I were to be given this angle, triangle, and we were given that this was 125 degrees, and I want you to find x, 52, and y. Find x and y, folks. And I'm going to tell you right now, your notes aren't going to make any sense at all if you just slap down an x and a y for numbers. If you don't draw the picture, it's not going to make any sense to you at all. So draw the picture, put the values in each respective vertex, each corner of the triangle, and then I want you to solve for x and y. Based upon everything you already know about lines, triangles, interior, exterior angles. Go ahead, Carson. I mean, not only did he just say, not even did he say, he didn't just say, well, ain't that the rainbow? But he said, isn't y and 125 a linear pair? Yeah. Carson. You darn right. Carson, excellent. Folks, he deserves a slow clap. You would not be good in the choir. You were offbeat all the time. That was you. I watched you. Hey, pretty good. Isn't it a linear pair, folks? What do we call a linear pair?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. So how am I going to find y? I'm going to take 180 and I'm going to take away 125 because it is the rainbow. Very good. Which gives us 55 degrees. Okay? So that means y is 55. Put it in there. Now, do I really need the 125 at this point? No. I don't need it. I could cover it up. Okay? And then I could just focus on the triangle because what's my triangle number? 180. Triangles equal 180. And now I could say, all right, what can I do with 180? Take away 55, which I just found. Take away 52. And folks, what are you left with? 73 degrees. Attaboy. You just deserve an attaboy. You don't deserve a slow clap. Don't mean to make you feel bad, though. If it does, don't let it. I'm just saying. Did you get the right answer? Good. Good for you. All right, so what's that mean? What are we going to do with this?
We throw the extra Y.
What?
We throw the extra Y.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Check this out. Oh, I love this. What is that? 3, 4, 5. We're going to do 100 examples today. Yes. Yes. You're welcome. Here. Oh, yeah.
We got an hour. We ain't got time for 100. We ain't got time for 100.
Shut your faces. It's just a bow tie. Are you in PE with your small circles? Stop it. What?
No, why do you want to look at other girls? You got a girlfriend.
Justin, here we go.
To look at my work.
You don't even know. Here we go. Justin, go. Hey! Because these are the moments in class when I have to keep it together. Justin, before you were rudely interrupted. What's that give you? 107. So you're saying that this angle right here is 107, correct? $35 plus 38 is 73. And then 73 from 180 is 107. Now what? Why would Y be 107? Oh. What do you know about vertical angles, folks? They're congruent. Good try. Vertical angles are congruent. Vertical lines are up and down. That's right. Now, yeah, this is what you're going to do for me. Okay, questions on this at all? Done every type of problem possible. Okay, you are going to, oh, yeah.